Tell me when you're done. कहाँ है दिनेश सर कहाँ है? सीमेंट लेने गए? हाँ? कितनी? Done?
So,
Yes.
so the king of diamonds does not look like a king. What do you reckon?
What is done?
Sir, skip. You written something else, sir.
I skip your top. Okay. So we'll now do this question. You are always means making jokes of my gold medal handwriting. Hmm. Still, the notebooks are not checked. Remember that. Hmm. I will also take this. Okay. So we'll do this question. A ball is drawn at a random from a bag containing two red balls, three blue balls, and four black balls. Okay. So what is the probability of getting a red color? Can you find it out and send me the answer? Can you do it by yourself or you want me to do it? Hello. Can you do it by yourself? Let's try it. Try it, but don't cry. Yes, Miraculin. What is the answer of first one? Like probability of getting red balls. So what is the formula?
Um, the formula is number of favorable outcome by total number of outcome.
So what is the total number of outcome in this case?
Uh, 9.
9. Correct. Like total balls are 2 plus 3 plus 4. It's gonna be 9. So in the denominator 9 will come. Next.
I think in numerator we have to put 3. No.
In the
2.
correct. So probability of getting red balls are 2 by 9. Next. Who will tell me? David. What is the probability of getting blue ball?
Um,
Like total number of outcome is 9.
9 answer.
And in the numerator, what is the favorable?
3.
So what is the answer? 3 by 9. And because you
1
can
upon 3.
simplify it, then you have to simplify it also. So it's become 1 upon 3, not 2. 3 2 is 6. 3 3 is 9. Okay, King David. Okay. That's why there is always problem with the census with King David. Okay. Okay, next one. Uh, black. Yeah, probability of getting black ball. Yes. Who will tell me? Who will tell me? Yes, Tabitha.
So it's 4 by 9.
Very good. 4 by 9. Why 4? Because possible outcome is 4 and the rest one is black. Okay, now what is the probability of getting not blue color? This is little bit different. Not blue color, which is then it's look like little different. Not blue color means, see, everyone please pay attention on the board just for a minute. Not blue color means the blue color is there, but not is also there. This bar represent not blue color. Blue color, and if I will put a bar on this, not blue color. Okay? Yes, David.
Will it be 5 by 9?
We'll check it out. We'll check it out. So basically, in that bag, we don't need blue color. We don't need blue color. So it means that red color, if it will come, okay with me. Black color will come, okay with me. But blue color, I don't want. I have an allergy with the blue color. Even though I wore blue color, but blue color allergy is there, according to the question. Not blue color. Not blue color. Now everyone please pay attention. Whenever the not will come, you have to put a bar on it. You have to put a bar on it. representing not blue color. Okay, not blue color will be so red color. Total red colors are 2. Total black color is 4. So 2 plus 4 is 6. Still the problem with the senses. Okay, 6 by 9. David? Hmm? Okay, nobody is able to understand this joke, but this is very good joke. This is like, guys, David census, and then 70,000 people died because of that census. So there also there's a problem with the census. Here also we have the problem with the census. Maths calculation, everything. Okay, so we got the 2 by 3 answer. Did you understand, guys? Nobody's reading Bible. Very bad. Christina? No, no, no. You forgot? Okay. Okay, write it down. Quickly write it down.
Sir, I wrote it down.
Very good. We give one more question. Do this question. A card is drawn from a well shuffled deck of 52 playing cards. Find the probability that it is of red color. First one is red color, second one is black. Try to do it. Miracle Abraham, are you getting this, beta? Say yes or no.
Like they have they didn't give the number of red color or black color. How to find that?
So I made this red color, no? So they are red color. I made this black color. These are black color.
Okay, sir.
So all the hard category and all the diamond category, they are red in color. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Now how will you solve this? So probability of getting red color. So P and red. So how many total cards are there? Total cards are 52. How many total red cards are there?
26.
26. Very good. So now, if we will divide it with the table of 2, so it becomes 13. It will become 26. 13 ones are 13 twos are. So the answer will be 1 by 50% chance. If you get probability, how to make it into the chances? See, the probability and chances are different. Chances usually come in percentage. Probability comes in normal terms, but chances come in percentage. So like whatever the probability you get, probability of getting red color is 1 by 2. Whatever you get, just multiply it by 100. Simple as that. Whatever the probability you get multiplied by 100, you will get chances. Okay, so like 2 ones are 2 50s are, so it will be 50% chance. This 50% is not probability, 50% is chances. Remember this. What are the chances of getting rain? We will not say 1 by 2. We will say 20% chance, 30% chance. What is the probability of getting rain? 1 by 2, 2 by 2, whatever the answer is. Did you understand? Yeah? That is it. And what is the probability of getting? If I will say, what is the probability of getting black color? Betya?
Maybe same 1 by 2.
Yeah, 26 upon 52 because 26 black is there. So it is again 1 by 2. So this is also 50%. if I will say what is the probability of not getting red color? Not getting red color means I will put bar over red color. That is not getting red color. What is probability of getting not red color? All the black colors. All the black color cards are not red color. So what will be? It will be again 1 by 2. And not getting black color. Probability of not getting black color. So black and not getting all red cards. This is also 1 by 26. 1 by 2. Did you understand?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
I'm repeating this again. Probability of getting, like, this is event. Probability of getting event, and this is probability of not getting that event. Event means red color, black color, that is called as event, that we are finding out the probability, that is called as event. And if I will put bar over it, it is called as not event. This means that probability of event, and this means that probability of not event. Write it down this way and make a box. Did you understand, guys? Okay. So in text question 26.2 HW. CYP 26.2, page number 664, question number 1, 2, question number 6. This is the. What, David? You saying something? No? Paka? More homework? As David request? Okay. Okay. So we'll end this maths class. I hope you have enjoyed the class. So we'll meet in 1 minute, then we'll start the science class. Till then, bye. Tabitha, bye.
Bye.
Then,
Bye. So,
yeah. Yes, Tabitha.
I was saying bye.
Yeah, I mean, you are just for maths class, no?
Yeah.
So we, like, maths class is now over. We'll start the science class. That's why I was saying that.
Okay. Bye. Bye, sir.
Okay. Bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Guys, come back in 2 minutes. Okay, guys, we start the science class. Come back, come back, come back, come back. Okay, perfect. Good morning, Nidhi. How are you? How are you?
How are you?
I'm good, I'm good. So, where were we doing? What were we doing?
29th chapter.
Yes, 29th chapter. Yeah, I have becoming little old, and that is why I have this like rule I keep in mind. Okay, 29th chapter. Okay, guys, turn on your camera, please. Want to see your cute, cute faces? Perfect. Oh my God. So we were adaptation in organism. Am I correct? Or Xiaomi correct? Okay, sorry. Today I'm getting very, very, very Mosaji type jokes. Sorry. Adaptation in organism. Adaptation in organism, basically, we learn that many organisms now adapting themselves according to their environment. If the desert environment are there, they are trying to adapt according to the desert environment. Snow environment is there, snow part. Okay, so adaptation is like adapting according to the environment, according to the work. Okay, so we are going to learn this. Who will read this? Okay, guys. One thing I want to say. On the left side, there is three lines are there on your screen. If you will see, okay, this type of line is there. Can you see my camera? This type of line is there. Okay, select this. Select this, and you get an option of view. VIEW, view. Okay, then you have a option of comments. Okay, there is a tick in front of you. Collaborator cursor, tick in front of you. Everything unselected. Unselect everything. Comments, collaborator cursor, votes, tag, author, dimension, everything. Now, why I am doing this? Because, like, whenever I move my cursor like this, you guys also get that Hardik Vashne is doing this. Okay, so that you guys will not have that much problem and you can see the PDF clearly. Everyone done? Unselect everything. Okay, it won't give disturbance to you. Okay, perfect. Now, adaptations are adaptations are special feature that allow plant or animal to live in a particular place or habitat. Perfect. Like in the particular place or habitat, if a animal or a plant needs to live, they need to adapt that environment. For example, the I guess who go like some mountain place? Anybody? You went to some mountain place, like heavy mountain.
Mesa.
Okay. Okay. That mountain also, but I'm talking about the mountain where the snow is there, like Nainital or these types of Himachal and all. So basically, if you will go there, observe them. Their trees leaves are conifer leaves. What is conifer leaves? Their leaves are there, but they have a like spine-like structure. Okay, they are also called as coniferous trees. Why? Because if the snow is there on the tree like a big uh, leaf, then snow will stick. There is no photosynthesis, plant will die. Hmm? But there is coniferous leaves which do not, like if the snow is there, the snow will not still on the leaf. It will fall down with a little wind also. With a little wind also, the snow which is on the leaves, it will fall down, hence they can do photosynthesis easy. That is their adaptation living on that snow area, in that wind area. Are you getting my point? Hmm? You like the people plant cannot live in that place because people plant has broad leaves. The snow will come, it will stick, and they will Not able to do photosynthesis. Abraham, I am tempted now. Very bad. I am tempted to eat waffle now. I am eating oats morning, doing dieting. Very bad. Ah, you eat, you eat, you eat. Okay. Now, aquatic adaptation. Yeah. So we'll learn each area has their adaptation. Brother, can you go? I have to eat. Eat, not kill you. Okay? Okay. Perfect. So aquatic adaptation. They are also called as hydrophytes. Now everyone please pay attention. Hydro means water. Fight is not fighting. It's fight means plants. So those plants who are finding inside the water or near the water that are called as hydrophytes. Okay. So hydrophytes, they have adaptation. Their roots are not long. Their roots are short. Short. Because water is easily available. Why they need roots? For example, if I will talk about people, neem, and all the plants in the terrestrial, they have long roots because they have to search for the roots. Like they have to search for the water. That is why they have long roots. But hydrophytes, they do not have long roots. Small, tiny, tiny roots are there. They can easily suck. If you will see the lotus plant roots are not too much big. Small, small roots are there. They can easily, like water can easily be adjusted by the plant. Okay. So they have reduced root system. They have reduced root system. Okay. Floating leaves have stomata only on their upper surface, while the submerged have no stomata all. This is important point. You can put a star on it. Okay. Like if there's a plant on the land, okay, if there's a plant on the land, everyone please pay attention. If there's a plant on the land, so I'll bring one leaf. Just give me a second. रवि वो कड़ी पत्ता डाल दिया क्या कड़ी पत्ता एक दे दो ना मुझे Okay. Now, for example, this is curry patta leaves. Okay, can you see this? This is light part and this one is dark part. Okay. So the dark part, basically the leaf is like this when it is planted on the stem. Means the dark part upside, the light part lower side. In this, because it's a terrestrial plant, it's not a hydrophyte, it's a terrestrial plant. So in this, what is the stomata? Stomata is the small pores on the leaves. From there, exchange of gases happens. Okay, first point. Second point, if plant is doing photosynthesis, okay, if plant is doing photosynthesis, there is a loss of water from stomata also. Everyone got it? That is called as transpiration. Did you understand, Jeshua? Jeshua, did you
Yes,
understand?
sir.
Okay. So from stomata only, transpiration happen. Okay. From stomata only, the transpiration happen. Now listen to me. Okay. If plant has stomata, like all the stomata is on the light green side, which is downward. Okay, everyone, please pay attention. I am telling this very important line. Why it is in downward position, not in upward position? Because if direct sunlight will come, it comes on the dark green side. If the stomata present is here, then because of the heat, lot of water loss will be there. That is why terrestrial plants have stomata on the below side, this below side, light green side. Did you understand this point? Shall I repeat this again? If sunlight will come, sunlight have lot of heat, and that lot of heat led to the loss of water. So to reduce it, terrestrial plants has adaptation that their stomata will not be on the upper side but in the below side. So the loss of water can be minimized. Did you understand this point? Now if I will talk about the hydrophytes, they have ulta, opposite. What? The upper part they have stomata, not below part, because they have lot of water. Because they have lot of water, they do not adapt. They do not need any adaptation regarding. You got my point? Okay. So here the upper part of a leaf is called as abaxial. A-B-A-X-I-L. A-B-A-X-I-L. Abaxial. The green part which is facing towards the sun, that part is called as abaxial, dark green part. And the below part where the stomata is there, the light green part, this is called as adaxial. A-D-A, D for dog, bow bow, adaxial. A-D-A-X-I-L, adaxial. So there are two parts of a plant, abaxial, adaxial. Abaxial, no stomata in terrestrial plants, abaxial, the upper part, no stomata, adaxial, stomata. In hydrophytes is ulta, abaxial, stomata, adaxial, no stomata.
So adaxial is on top, is the top part of the leaf, while abaxial.
Abaxial is the top where it's facing the sun. Like for example, this dark green part usually faces the sun. No? So this is abaxial. B for ball. D for dog. Bho, bho. So abaxial part facing towards the sun. Adaxial part facing towards the earth has the stomata in terrestrial plants. Got it?
Yeah. So aquatic plant, it's vital. Is that right?
Say it again.
In aquatic plants, the
Hmm.
abaxial is on top and the abaxial.
In hydrophytes, like in the aquatic plants, they have the stomata on abaxial, abaxial part. Okay? Did you understand? Abaxial and adaxial.
So the abaxial is always on the top, the adaxial is on the bottom. The only thing is stomata is
So why hydrophytes has? Because they have lot of water. They do not worry about the water. That is why. They have no problem. Now, for example, your skin also. This part always faces towards the sun, abaxial. This part below the sun, adaxial. Okay? Did you understand, guys? Yes or no?
So,
That is
sir, in
why
terrestrial,
your yes.
so in desert
Say it.
plants, the abaxial has stomata. So in desert plants, the abaxial has no stomata, the adaxial has stomata. When aquatic plants, it's ulta. The abaxial has
Mm,
stomata,
in
adaxial doesn't.
in not desert plant. Desert plant does not have leaf. They have thorns. Cactus have thorns, no leaves. In terrestrial plants, I'm saying any terrestrial plants like people, neem, coconut, any terrestrial plants, they have the adaxial stomata, not abaxial stomata. Okay. Desert plant does not have leaf. The leaf is modified into one more thing. We are going to learn everything. That they are called as xerophytes. We'll learn. We'll learn. Do not get confused. Okay. The leaves are thin and narrow, like hydrilla. Long flat ribbon shape, like Velisnera. These adaptations protect the plants from any damage due to the water current. What is water current? Water flows, and with that water, the plant will also flow. So to have no problem with that water current, they have thin, narrow leaves. Okay, some of the plants are thin, some of the plants have flat ribbon-like shape like leaves. Okay, you have to learn this name. This is important point. You have to learn this name so that they can protect themselves in water currents. Yes.
What is water current? Can you say?
What is? Say loudly.
Water currents.
Water currents. Like ocean currents means the ocean usually have a not the electricity current. I'm saying that one. Like in the form of waves, ocean is always coming down, up and coming up. That is called as currents. No, like waves. So water currents in the normal lake part, lake or pond part, big pond, they have water currents. So it means that water usually moves slowly, slowly. Jesho, did you understand? No, nothing.
I understood, sir.
Oh, okay. Now, this is also the thing. The stems may be long, slender, spongy to prevent them from carried away from the water. So basically, they have long stem so that, like for example, lotus, they have long stem so that it can be carried away by the water current. Flat leaves on the plants are flotation, okay, coated with a wax, which is water repellent.
So, like
So,
the
hmm, say it again.
yeah, the plants which are floating, the water will not like they will not sink.
Come, yeah, the water will not come above it also. Okay, because the leaf, like this is the leaf of a lotus plant. This is lotus, which is above the water. This is below the water. Okay, if water will come, the water will not come first of all directly. If it will come, it will become tiny, tiny, tiny droplets. That tiny, tiny droplets can again come back to the water. If any water current come, it come above the leaf, then it become tiny droplets because the water repellent facility lotus have. See what is the best repellent thing. Did you understand?
Yes,
No.
sir. Understood.
Hmm? So, for example, Hydrilla, Velislaria, water hyacinth, Ecornia. You have to remember this name. This name are very important, especially the water hyacinth. There is very bad plant. This is very bad plant. Water hyacinth or Ecornia. We are going to learn about that. No problem. Okay, so we have this thing. Now, if I will talk about animals, what is the problem? What is the adaptation in animals? So, usually, animals have streamlined body, like fish. They are like aeroplane. You know aeroplane? Aeroplane is from the head. It's pointed so that the air. Abraham knows very well. Every aeroplane or rocket, they have stream-like body, pointed head. So if the air is coming, it can divide. So the rocket can up like divide the air, and it won't become an air resistance for them. In the same way, animals also have stream-like body. Okay, they when they are inside the water, the water is automatically dividing it. Okay, they have stream-like body. Okay, now smooth and almost hairless, no hair. Fish. Can you see the fish hair? No. It doesn't mean that fish doesn't like beard. Fish also like beard. If she like beard, she cannot be in the aquatic plant. She has to come out of the water. Sorry for the bad joke. Okay. And webbed feet. Webbed feet. Now what is webbed feet? For example, this is my hand. Now what is webbed feet? Webbed feet is like these two fingers are joined. Okay, becoming like this. Uh, Okay. Oh, sorry, I can't break my finger for that. It will give me a good hospital bills. I'll make a drawing. And if you laugh, I'm giving you dare. Yeah, why I'm so bad.
Yeah, it was good.
Hmm.
It was good.
Yeah, this is my turn. That's why I'm saying I'm Picasso. Okay, so this is a webbed feet, okay, in which the fingers are joined and there's a skin between them. Now, why? If web feet is there, so with this they can swim easily. They can, like in swimming, like who knows swimming? Everyone knows swimming. Okay, in swimming we have even we cannot do like when we are doing a swimming, so we cannot open our hands and do like this. We have to close the hand and make a C like this. Okay, and so that the water maximum water can push back and you can go in forward direction. Okay, so in the same way, ducks, ducks and mendak, frog, tar, they all have the webbed feet so that they can swim well inside the water. Oh, there is a duck. Why I took this example? You can see that there is a webbed foot. Did you understand, Miracle? Yes. Joshua, can you read this?
Where, sir?
Throat point.
Flattened tail that serve as an oar.
Hmm.
I'll continue.
Next.
Fins are fish to help swim, steer, and maintain balance. A whale has flippers for swimming. Long legs
So,
and fins to keep
yeah,
the body
continue.
to keep the wading birds out to keep the bodies of wading birds out of the water. The long neck helps the birds to reach the water or below it
Okay,
for
okay.
food.
Okay. So basically, these are some of the adaptation they have. Okay, they have swim fins. Okay, fins so that they can maintain the balance. Okay, and they can swim it easily. Okay, now this thing in Tom and Jerry, I saw the dolphin is clapping. Not dolphin, the seagulls. Seagulls, no? Sea lion. Sea lion. They are clapping. Usually, yes, they clap also, but that is not for clapping. This is for like swimming. They used to do swimming for that. Okay. Now, bubble. Bubble of a whale is a thick, fat layer oil stored between the skin, muscles, and body. Provide insulation. Yes. So the water which is outside, it won't come inside. Like full body is now exposed to water. If I will go swimming for 2 hours, my fingers will become like a no without press shirt. Okay, that type of finger will be there. If the shirt is not pressed, it's wrinkled. No, yeah, wrinkled. I know that word. I know that grammar, but the thing is, I want to give that example. Yeah, I'm very good in vocabulary. Yeah, that wrinkle word. Yeah. So that it become very wrinkled, but we don't have scales. Okay, we don't have scales like a this thing fish instead of Aquaman. Okay, we don't have any scales, but fish have because it provide insulation from outside water to the inside muscle. Okay. Now, eye position on the top of the head. Yes. Why? If their eye is not like this, their eyes is here. So that they can see like this. Okay. Easily visible to us. Okay. Transparent eyelid covers the water animals under the. They do not have goggles. When we are doing swimming, we need goggles because we don't like if we close our eyes, all dark. Okay, but they have transparent eyelid. This eyelid is transparent. Even they are closing their eyes, they can see it easily. Okay, did you understand? Imagine every fish is now having fish goggles. Genji fish. Okay, now um, transparent. Okay, nostril position near the top of the head allow animals to come on the surface and to breathe. You can see the whales. Whales have nostril hair. Okay, they come on the surface because they have lungs. They do not have gills like any fishes have. So dolphin and whales, they come on the water. They take full inside, go down, okay, and then again come on the top. The carbon dioxide which is produced, it is now from the back. It is coming out like whoo. Then again take oxygen. So like this they used to do. Okay. Some fish have swim bladder, which is filled with the air. Have, yeah, fish bladder. They have air, so that they will not go drown, but they can swim easy. Fish and aquatic invertebrates like prawns have gills for respiration. Yes, they have gills also for respiration. These are the some adaptation that the fish has. Oh, okay, okay. Like for example, might look like it's glitch, but I can put my finger. I got the solution. See, now it won't be glitch anymore. Okay, I got the solution. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, so now, uh, now so the plants, aquatic animals, and everything is done. Okay. Now we'll learn about the mesophytes. So all the terrestrial plants are called as mesophytes, except desert plants. Desert plants are called as xerophytes. Terrestrial plants, mesophytes. Xerophyte is the desert plants. So we'll talk about the adaptation in the terrestrial plants. They have long roots. Of course, they need water. They need to search for the water. So mesophytes are the terrestrial plants which adapted neither a particular dry or nor a wet environment. Okay, not fully dry like desert, not fully dry like hydrophytes. So they have following adaptation. They require continuous water supply. They have large, thin leaves. Okay, with a large number of stomata. Stomata they have and undersides the leaves means adaxial part that we were talking about. Adaxial part. Okay. The roots of the mesophytes are well developed, branched, and provided root caps. Yes. Very large, well developed. They have to travel for a longer distance. They have to penetrate soil and they have to go for a large distance for that. Okay. यहाँ आ जा. अच्छा देखो. मेरा हो गया वैसे क्लास होने वाला है 2 मिनट. Okay, they have large root. Okay, now the shoot system is also well organized. Well organized means the above leaf and the providing water from roots to leaves, they all have well developed system. Okay, so that they can make a proper fruit. These all are the mesophytes. Did you understand, guys? Do you have any problem? Now, what type of question will come? They will ask you what are the adaptation by the aquatic plants and aquatic element. Describe each by 5 points. You have to tell me 5 points with example also. Mesophytes in 3 points with example also. Explain it well also.
Sir, are mesophytes in every single plant? Every single plant?
Every single plant on the land. Like Kerala land, Bangalore land, Tamil Nadu land, any land. Mesophytes.
So, Peripheral is a terrestrial plant.
Mesophyte. Curry patta is mesophyte. Okay. So everyone understood? Okay, then we'll not go for the zero fitting because it takes time. So we'll do zero fitting tomorrow. I hope you have enjoyed the class. Bye. Have a nice day. Signing off by Shabak here. Sayonara. We'll meet tomorrow. Bye bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Bye,
Thanks,
everyone.
sir. Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye,
Bye.
sir.
Bye. Thank you. Bye.